Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada and UK, and I also share my daily analysis on the important Forex currency pairs like Euro, USD, Japanese yen, etc. So today in this video I'll be recommending stocks for 1st March 2021 Monday. Okay. So this analysis is for Monday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. So the first stock of the day is Coca-Cola. Okay. So you can see that the last traded price of Coca-Cola was uh, is 48.99. Okay, so what do we need to do? You can see that there was a huge red candle. Coca-Cola has made a huge red candle and this is a daily chart. Okay, and there was a resistance at 50.26 and Coca-Cola just opened below the resistance. Price didn't go up, and after that price started falling and ultimately closed at 48.99. So if you spot if you get the stock below 48.9 level today, then you can sell again. What will be your target? Your first target will be first safe target will be 48.10 or 48.2. So if you get Coca-Cola below 48.9 level today, okay, and if you see that there is still selling pressure present on the stock, then you can short the market, okay, for 48.1 or 48.2 level. Okay, that will be the first level. And if you see that pressure is quite eminent, then your target will be this 47.7. The second stock is Mastercard. For Mastercard, you can see that last traded price is 353.85. Okay, it made a low. Okay, it made a low of 347, almost took support at the uh, support available at 346 level, and from there it bounced off and ultimately closed at 353.85 level. There is also a resistance available at this zone. Okay, 357 level. Uh, So if you get Mastercard today above this level, 360 level, okay, then you can buy. Okay. But if you get the stock between this level, let's say 350 below 360, okay, or 360 to 347 level, 360 to 347 level is the no trading zone for Mastercard today. Only buy above 360. Only buy 360. If you see that market is good enough, buying pressure is there, market is bullish, the stock is bullish, then only go for buy above 360. Otherwise, if you get a stock between this range 347, 350, 355, then it's a no trading zone for you. So the next stock is JP Morgan Chase. Okay, so last traded price of JPM is 147.17. There was a resistance available at 150.79 and market failed to cross the resistance. Uh, it tried, but the selling pressure was so high that it failed, and ultimately it closed at 147.15 level or 17, whatever. Okay, so if you get the stock today between this range, okay, 147 to 150.40 level, then you should not trade. Okay, do not trade between 147 to 150 level. If you get the stock below 146.5 level, if you see that it is trading below 146.5 level, and if you spot some good selling pressure, just look at the volume for confirmation. Okay, then you can go ahead and short the market. 146.5. In case the stock opened at say 147, 148, I mean between this range. Okay, and if you see the market, and it is trying to go up. Okay, and suppose it goes up and hits the 159.5 level, sorry, 150.5 level. And 150.5 level, there is a resistance present. In case after hitting the resistance at 150.5 level, if it starts showing some good price rejection from above, okay, then also you can short the market. Suppose it is trying to go up, somehow it reached the 150.5 level, but uh, as soon as it hits the 150.5 level, sellers started selling the market, okay. And if you spot some good price rejection from above, then also you can short the market at 150.5 level, okay. Otherwise you can short the market below 146.5 level. JP Morgan Chase. So the last stock for the day is Mark and Co, and we can see that Mark and Co has breached the support in the daily time frame, okay. And ultimately closed at 72.62, okay. So this is the candle Mark has made. It has broken a good support in the daily time frame. So if you get Mark below 172.60, if you get the stock below 72.60, and if you see that it is also being supported by the volume, okay, I mean selling pressure. If you spot some good selling pressure, then yeah, then just be confident and just short the stock, okay, below 72.60 level. No buy call for Mark, okay. Short it below 72.6. That's it. So this is the simple analysis of Nasdaq stock for Monday, 1st March 2021. So these are the four stocks where you can take trade today. So I'll be coming down again tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis. So if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, because I always bring market analysis before the market opens for your convenience. Okay. So see you tomorrow and please subscribe for daily market analysis. Thank you so much and good luck.